Hello, my name is Mackenzie Roach, and today I'm going to be discussing tissues. In this diagram, it depicts the 4 different types of tissues, which are epithelial, connective, nervous, and muscular. I'm going to use this diagram to show the different types of epithelial cells. Epithelial cells are characterized by their layer and their shape. So, for example, in this diagram, there are simple squamous cells, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, as well as stratified cuboidal, stratified columnar, and stratified squamous. Along with that, there are pseudostratified columnar cells, which their nucleuses appear at different levels. So it looks like they have multiple layers, but they just are in one column that has nucleuses at different levels. The squamous shape is a flat shape, cuboidal is a cube shape, and columnar is a long column-like shape. The simple types of cells will have one layer, while stratified has more than one layer. Here I'll be showing a list of all the different connective tissues. We have loose connective tissue, which consists of areolar, reticular, and adipose. Then we have dense connective tissue, which has irregular and regular. Then we have supportive connective tissue, which consists of bone, cartilage. The cartilage types are hyaline, fibrocartilage, and elastic. Then lastly, we have fluid connective tissue, which is blood. Next, I have this diagram to show the different types of muscle tissue. The muscle tissue the 3 different types are skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. The smooth muscle is not striated, while cardiac and skeletal muscle are striated. In nervous tissue, we have 2 main types of cells that make up the nervous tissue, which are the neurons, which is the main type of cell, and then we have the glial cells, which are the supporting cells. This diagram shows the glial cells, which are the different types of supporting cells. We have ependymal cells, we have astrocytes, we have oligodendrocytes, microglia, we have satellite cells, Schwann cells. One of the organs that I want to dive deeper into is the stomach. The stomach has the inner lining composed of stratified columnar cells. The stratified columnar cells look like this. This is what's making up the lining of the stomach. Also in the stomach wall consists of connective tissue. It specifically consists of dense or regular connective tissue, and the connective tissue would look like this. So this is the tissue that would make up the stomach wall. Next organ that I would like to discuss is the lung. The lung has simple squamous cells in the alveoli. So the simple squamous cells are going to look like this. They're going to be flat in only one layer. Also, the bronchioles are going to be made of stratified columnar cells, which look like this. Like I said earlier, the nucleuses have one higher than the other, which are appearing to be stratified, but they are not. The stratified columnar cells in the stomach lining help protect the stomach from its own acid, while also helping to break down food. The stomach wall also contains areolar connective and dense irregular. The dense connective tissue provides strength, so that way the stomach can contract and churn food without tearing. The simple squamous epithelial in the alveoli allows rapid gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between air and blood. The pseudostratified columnar epithelia in the bronchi contain cilia, the mucus-secreting goblet cell. These trap and remove dust and debris.